Hello, this is Irfan Ahmed. Today I'm going to present my paper entitled Modeling and Validation of ANN based Ford Model with Integrated OWCs for Platform Stabilization. As a result of climate change, emerging markets, and developing economics, energy demand is raised by 4.6% in 2021, which appears in global energy reviews. Wind is set for the largest increase in renewable generation, growing by 275 tetrawatt per hour, which is significantly greater than 2020 levels. Floating offshore wind turbines suffer from instability. To help stabilize these structures, our team proposed the integration of oscillating water column to the barge platform. FAST, Fatigue, Aerodynamics, Structures and Turbulence, is a simulator to analyze and design wind turbine. FAST and FAST-SC only allow simulation and control of Ford with control related to blade pitch angle, torque control, passive structures control, but they didn't offer the possibility of closed loop control of active structures control. Highly computational techniques like artificial neural network have proven to be very efficient in real-time estimation. So we proposed ANN model as a promising solution for future closed loop control. The proposed network is designed to predict power and rotational speeds, which is multi-layer perception structures with two inputs, different wind speeds and waves. This is update equation. The mean squared error has been chosen as the criterion for ANN model to be used. The design ANN are 9 hidden layers and one input and one output layer. The ANN looks like this. It has two input and two outputs. After creating ANN, we validate it by using Simulink environment and comparing its output to fast output. The best network chosen for our model had following satisfied training performance with following conversion of MSE and almost perfect regression curves are close to 1. It shows that model is perfect trained under different scenarios. From the left we can see MSE is decreased to a minimum value at 100 epochs. In the right there are regression curve for training, validation and test which are close to 1. For the testing and validation of ANN model with the FAST model, we introduce the following inputs. To the right is the wave elevation and to the left wind speed. These are the final outputs. The red one is proposed ANN based model and the blue dashed one is the FAST model. From the right we have power and from the left is the rotational speed. We can see a very good agreements and highly accuracy between the FAST and proposed model. In this paper, a highly computational network has been trained in order to predict power and speeds. The development of ANN-based Ford model with 4 OWCs for platform stabilization has been studied. The data has been obtained for incorporating fast hydrodynamics and aerodynamics properties for the hybrid system. The best network has been chosen according to the lowest MSE. The network then has simulated with various wind and wave conditions in order to demonstrate efficiency and validity in MATLAB Simulink environment. The simulation results of ANN-based Ford model were compared to the FAST model. The result revealed that this trained network is highly accurate at predicting the power and rotational speed. Thank you for your attention.